In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI turn indicators into profitable strategies in TradingView. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can use a free account to follow along, and any modern browser will work. Once the site loads, give it a second to fetch market data so the interface is responsive. Next, look to the right side of the screen and select the symbol you want to analyze. You can search for a stock, index, crypto, or forex pair and pick the one that fits your interest. Choosing a liquid, well-known instrument is a good idea while you're testing because reliable price history makes indicators easier to validate. Now click Full Chart to expand into the full-featured charting workspace. This view unlocks all the tools you'll need, including the code editor and the data panels. Take a quick look at your time frame and chart type so the context matches how you plan to use the indicator later. At the bottom right, click Pine to open the Pine script editor. This is where custom indicators live in TradingView. You'll see an editor area with tabs and a simple template. That's normal. If it's your first time here, note that Pine script has versions and most modern examples use version 5. Next, go to ChatGPT and type this prompt exactly. Generate a useful indicator that estimate future trends. You can keep it simple like that, or refine it with details such as Pine script v5, preferred inputs, or smoothing methods. The clearer your request, the more practical and readable the code tends to be. Also, skim the response for comments explaining the logic so you understand what it's doing. When the AI returns the code, highlight it and copy it. Make sure you're copying the entire block from the version line at the top, if provided, down to the final line so there are no missing pieces. Back in TradingView's Pine editor, paste the code into the editor window. If there's placeholder text there already, you can select all and replace it. Glance through the pasted code to confirm the version line and inputs match what you asked for and that there are no obvious typos from copying. Finally, click Save. Give your script a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later and iterate on it. Saving keeps your work in your account and helps you maintain versions as you refine the logic. If the editor flags any errors, read the message, adjust the prompt in ChatGPT to fix them, then copy and paste the updated code again until it's clean. That's the complete workflow to leverage AI for building indicators in TradingView and turn those ideas into the foundation of profitable strategies.